Beautiful day. We're just getting this party started with these high winds. They're rolling in from anywhere from 25 to 50 mile an hour gusts. You can hear them coming over the hillsides. This is nothing. This is a calm right now. Sounds like a train back up over there. Here comes a good one. Don't know which way it's wanting to blow. Leaves are going that way. Now they're coming back this way. Here they come. Oh yeah, that was a real strong gust right there. Antennas up there rocking and rolling now. So now they're going back that way. Oh boy. That's why I said I can't fight these leaves. They just blow from every direction around in circles. Yeah, I don't know what it wants to do, but I'm telling you, we ain't even started getting the strong winds yet. Now here comes one of those ones from up the hill. Why rake some leaves when you can't even maintain them? You rake them all up, burn them, they'll all be back again from down over the hillside or down there where somebody didn't rake them, or up there where somebody didn't rake them. What's the point? Hey, why don't you put a metal antenna up there? Oh, hell no. And wind don't know what it wants to do up on this hill. I don't know if you can hear that sound, man, but it sounds like a train up there. See, these leaves ain't doing nothing now. Oh, now they're blowing back this way. Yeah, now they're going that way. Oh, now they're going that way. Oh boy. Here they come. There they go. Some of them are going that way, some of them are going that way, some of them are coming back this way. Yep, here they come the other way now. Oh well, it is what it is when you live up on the hill. Of course, I'm in the bowl on top of the hill, so it just kind of goes around in circles. I'm in the bowl. See the hills on the horizon over there, all the way around me. Man, could you imagine if you was up on top of one of these hills? I've seen days where it was so still up here, you couldn't get a feather to blow. Not the case in the winter time.